In this video we can talk about top 5 Nova AI alternatives and competitors. Hey everyone, welcome to our Alternatives channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you. If you're looking for alternatives to Nova AI, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will unveil the top 5 alternatives including Veed IO, Synthesia, Murf Ai, Pictory, and InVideo that will help with your video editing needs. The first alternative on our list is Veed IO. Veed IO is a versatile online video editing platform that enables individuals and businesses to create professional quality videos effortlessly. It offers features like music visualizer, audio to text, auto subtitles, and video trimmer. With Veed IO, you can choose from a range of different caption styles and formats, so you can create videos that are perfectly suited to your brand or personal style. One of the standout features of Veed IO is its lightning-fast rendering capabilities, ensuring swift video production without compromising on quality. Second alternative is Synthesia. Synthesia is an AI-powered video creation platform that allows you to generate realistic videos using text-to-video technology. It offers features like AI avatars, video templates, video embeds, and screen recorder. With Synthesia, you can easily create professional-looking videos without any video production skills. One of the standout features of Synthesia is its ability to generate lifelike avatars that can deliver any script or message. Moving on to our third alternative, we have Murf Ai. Murf Ai is a cutting-edge text-to-speech tool that harnesses the power of AI to provide a versatile voice generator for a variety of applications. It offers features like voice cloning, text-to-speech, voice-over video, and voice changer. With Murf, you can effortlessly create studio-quality voiceovers in just minutes, making it ideal for podcasts, videos, and professional presentations. One of the standout features of Murf AI is its ability to deliver lifelike voices that are generated by combining the best aspects of AI technology and real people's voices. Moving on to our fourth alternative, we have Pictory. Pictory is a visual storytelling tool that allows you to create stunning interactive experiences. It offers features like script to video, blog post to video, auto caption video, and video highlight creation. Whether you're a marketer, educator, or content creator, Pictory can help you captivate your audience. Its standout feature is its ability to utilize advanced algorithms to analyze user preferences, allowing it to dynamically tailor video content to individual viewers. Last but not least, we have InVideo. InVideo is a versatile video creation platform that offers a wide range of templates, effects, and editing tools. It offers features like Video Ad Maker, Online Video Editor, Slideshow Maker, and social sharing. With InVideo, you can easily create professional quality videos for social media, marketing campaigns, or any other purpose. One standout feature of InVideo is its extensive library of ready-made templates, which will enable you to create publish-worthy videos. Compared to Nova AI, Veed IO focuses primarily on video editing and provides robust editing capabilities that can enhance your video content. Synthesia, on the other hand, emphasizes on automated video creation, making it an excellent choice for creating personalized videos, tutorials, and more. While Murf specializes in generating engaging and persuasive content, such as blog posts, social media captions, and ad copy, Pictory offers a unique approach to visual storytelling and provides a platform where you can combine images, videos, and text to create stunning digital art. Lastly, we have InVideos that come with comprehensive editing capabilities, including the ability to add text, music, and transitions to videos. If you're looking for an all-in-one video creation solution that combines editing, AI-generated videos, and copywriting capabilities, we recommend InVideo as the best alternative. It offers a diverse range of features to suit various content creation needs. We hope this video has helped you make an informed decision about which alternative to Nova AI is right for your powerful online video editing journey. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.